Hello everyone. So again, welcome to our channel. So today in our daily DILR set, we are going to discuss a very good set on main diagram. And with this, I would like to announce that very shortly we will be giving our crash course for this year. And it would be a game changer because it will be very affordable for everyone who is stuck somewhere or who has, just need a final push. So we are going to launch it very soon. Stay tuned for the details. Okay. Uh, let's see what it is all about. So today's set says out of 100 people in an office, 50 like to walk, 55 like to take the bus, and 66 like to take the train. 9 people use all the three mediums. So basically, it's a Venn diagram. Let's make it. So what is saying that there are some people who like to walk, some people who like to take the bus, and then there are some people who like to take the train, right? So 50 like to walk, 66 like to take the train, and 55 like to take the bus. 9 people use all the things, fine. And the number of people who like walking and training, but not the bus. So walking and training, but not the bus. So these people are 4 by 3 times the number of people who like train and bus, but not walk. Train and bus, but not walk. So 4 by 3 times of this. So this is 3x, this is 4x, right? So 4 by 3 times of this. So just to make my calculation and life easier, I'll take it as 3x, right? Okay. The number of people who like to walk only to reach the office, this is at least 1. So this number is greater than equal to 1. Okay. There is no person who do not use either of the three. So all the 100 peoples are equipped somewhere in this diagram and nothing. And then the first question says to us, what is the minimum number of people who like to train? Now, when it says minimum, maximum, I know there are going to be some cases, and whenever there are cases, I would like to, have a fair idea before I move into the questions. So, अब अपने को क्या पता है ये 9 है in order to make any equation I need to fill all the places. In order to fill all the places I just need one more variable here, right? अगर मैं यहाँ पे इसको y मान लेता हूँ, I can fill in all the variables actually. So, what is this part? This part is 50 minus 941 minus 4x minus y. This part 55 minus 946 minus 3x minus 1. This part would be 66 minus 9, 57 minus 7x, right? And all these are equal to 100. The total is equal to 100. So if I add all these elements, all these 8 elements, what I'm getting? 41 and 46, 87 and 57, 144 and 153, minus 3x minus 4x minus 7x minus 14x minus 10 minus 7. So 153 minus 7x minus y plus y cancel minus y. There is no other y is equivalent to 100. So all these are 100, right? So what I'm getting? I'm getting 7x plus y is equal to 53. This is what I'm getting, right? Now x and y will yield different values for different answers. So just to limit, see x. Okay, so what I will do, x is equal to 53 minus y upon 7. Now, in order to fetch some values for x and y, I have to place y for something and then I will get x. If I will put y as 4, so 53 minus 4 by 7, 49 by 7, x will be 7, right? What will be the next relation? 4 by 7, 11 pe hoga? Yes, 11. At y is equal to 11, x is 42. Sorry, 42 by 7, 6. Okay. Now at each point, I need to make sure that these values are not getting negative, right? These values are not getting negative or this is not getting less than 1. I have to check this out. So my walking is 41 minus 4x minus 5. Right, so I'll just use this and I'll keep verifying the variables. For the first case, 41 minus 28 minus 424, it is valid. 41 minus 28, 13 minus 4, 9. This is valid for the first case. For the second case, this would be 41 minus 24 minus 11, 13, right? 624 minus 11, 13, right? For the third case, 4, 7, 11 and 7, 18, and this would be 5. Okay, so for the third case, it is going to be what? It is going to be 41 minus 20 minus 18, 2. Yes, it is going to be 2. Okay, 41, 41, 24. No, no. I have done some calculation error. So if I will put 6 for 24, 41, 17 minus 11, 6. This will be 6 here, right? And then by the trend, it will be 3 here most probably, right? 41 minus 20, 21 minus 18, 3. So next would be 0. So 9630. As soon as I am moving to the next case, the people who are walking are becoming 0. Since these people are becoming 0, I do not need to go any further because walking people are at least 1. It is given to me that at least one person go to walk. So there are three possibilities for us, right? So let me just map these three possibilities and mark my Venn diagrams. So what are those? So 963 are the three possibilities. Okay, so uh, this is case 1. This will be case 2. This will be case 3. Okay, so there will be 3 cases. Now, this is 9. Walk is 9 here, 6 here, and 3 here. Okay, this is walk. This is bus. This is train, right? So x is 7 in this case. Since x is 7 in this case, this is 21, this is 28. Easy. This is 21, this is 28. 57 minus 7, so 49. This is 8, right? This is 8. Y is 4, so this would be 4. And 46 minus 3 times 21, 25 minus 4, 21. Okay. So this is 21. This is case 1 with me, right? In this case, this is 6. My general equations, oh, I have to write the general equations again. This is 46 minus 3x minus y. 46 minus 3x minus y. Rest were, this was 4x, 3x. Okay, rest was easy. This was 9, this was 9. This was y directly. So y is 11 here and 18 here. This was 57 minus 7x. So this would be, in this case, 37, 22, 35, 47 minus 7, 22. And 7, 6, the 42. In this case, it is 15. This was 3x, so 18. This was 4x, so 24. This was 3x, so 15. This was 4x, so 20. So 46 minus 3 is the 18. 28 minus 11, 17. So 21 and 17, and this would be 13, right? Making a trend, obviously. So these are my 3 possible cases with me. Now let me just move to the questions and read it. Okay. The first question says, now the first question says, what is the minimum number of people who do not like to take the train or bus? So train और बस यानी इन दोनों से मिनिमम कितने हैं? इन दोनों से मिनिमम है अपने पास ये 3 लोग. So who do not like to take the train or bus? So these are the minimum of 3 people with us. What is the maximum number of people who like to take the train only? 2 train. This is 22. If the number of people who like to take the bus only, this is lesser than the number of people who like to take the train only, which means we are talking about this case. Okay. Then how many people like to walk and take the bus but not train? Walk and take the bus but not train. So these are 18 people with us. Last question. If the number of people who like to walk and take the bus but do not train is the prime number. So this is the case I am talking about. Then what is the sum of all the digits of x, where x is the number of people who would like to take the bus only? So 70. So 1 plus 7, the number. So this is 8. So this completes my set. I hope you guys have liked the explanation. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.